I wonder when the youth them go.
Cartel raising price, right? And a dancehall and dance. Remember I said people are going to see dancehall more, right? So what if somebody book Cartel over your son and book Valiant over your son? They must say, yo, Cartel.
That was a gruesome act. I couldn't pull off something like that on myself. Not even a firearm could save me that day. Yes, I ransom was paid, but I never disclosed the figure with anybody.
So Alkaline and Kerry, big up on yourself, no, because I know not listen to me, you know. I don't know, so I don't mean the artist, no bad. Because I don't tell Alkaline no fuckery, I don't tell Vendetta team, I tell Alkaline team no fuckery. Kerry, you know I don't tell no fuckery. So July the 2nd, I'm glad I go do the interview and nationwide.
True, me Mr. G British to live in a no dream, man. I not trick myself in front of myself. Salute to Banto Zolo. Free not dumb, and the book is out. So you can go up on the website, go look for it. Listen to what I say to you now, Nico Fire. We don't no apology. I don't know you and I
Yo, Nation Walk, once about Adrian back in the building with another episode. And before we get